Okay, hello, ugly, ugly sister. Come on, we have a one color challenge. Okay, your color is poop. Your color is poop. Yeah, it's brown. My color is pink, because I love pink. Okay, fine, your color is purple. Mine is pink. Come on, let's go dye our hair. What is going on over here? There's so many gangsters. What the hell? Come on, Aya. Where are you? Aya, I'm going to the hair salon. Whatever, I'm gonna dye my hair pink. Mega. My hair will look so pretty. Call it, make it purple. Okay. Mm. Okay, I got the perfect color. Ayun. Stop jumping for me. Okay, I have the perfect. Yak! Yak, this color is ugly. Yak, I don't want the green one. Okay, I'm good. Nigga. Yeah, this one. So what if Aaron's here? Like I care. Okay, come on. Let's just do the challenge. Okay, Aya, let's go get some pink foods. Food. 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 Fine clothes. Race you to the hair salon. Aya, no, using admin. If you use admin, I will. You're out. It's not my fault that I don't have admin anymore. Okay. Yes. Okay, now we're gonna find pink clothes. Yeah, you're purple, I'm pink. Whatever. Oh, that look pretty. It matches. Ew, okay, not I'm just gonna change my clothes. It is not chatting. It's not cheating. It's not cheating. What do you mean? Oh. Since when did pink never exist? No. Aya, that is not purple. What are you wearing? Did you search cute the same as me? Oh, here, oh, there's pink. No, I did not. I did not. Oh, that looks cute. I'm searching cute, whatever, nigger. Okay, I'm done. Let's go get pink foods and then we can play hide and seek, nigger. I'm so coquette. Yeah, I'm so coquette. Come on, let's go. Nigger. Yeah, the hair looks so good. Me, duh. No, you look like a nigger. Because you are a nigger. Didn't you know? Come on, pink foods, you nigger. Why is there so many gangsters? Come on. Oh, I have nothing. Why did I pick purple Poreo? After that, we're going to Starbucks. Yeah. What? So now, who would make purple muffins? It does not make sense. There's nothing. Come on, let's go to the Starbucks thingy. Nigger, bye. Wait, I wonder, can we do nails? Ah, bulbul. Wait, let's go to the ice cream shop first, nigger. Huy, nigger. Boang man sa'yo. Huh? You're the boang? Come on, are you serious? There's no pink in here. Yeah, I know boang. Hoy! Ayaw kita. Ayaw. I'm ahead of you. Yes. There's no cake. In the grocery. Oh, look, there's pink. I'm just gonna get from the. Look, I got pink. There's no purple here for you except the muffin. No, nigger. I already have one. There's also a pink like this, right? Is there only purple? Oh, there's only. I just see. Oh my god, I forgot. Why did I click it? There's no pink donut. Is this pink? It's not pink. Why do you get all the good stuff? Okay, this is for my breakfast. Hey, Aya, come here and sit. Let's eat. Go. My hair looks good. You find my. What's my house? What's my house? Yes, what's my house? Oh, I see you. I see you. It's already open. Oh, yeah. No, I missed. I see you. No, I'm not. I'm not inside the car. What do you mean? Only gonna give you one hint. Two hints? Okay. Hiding in a very very dark house. A very very dark place. A very dark place. I'm hiding in a very I'm hiding in a very dark place. I'm hiding in a very very dark place under. Oh no 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 no. Oh no no. Oh no no. Oh no 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 no. She's Aaron thought. No, I did not escape. Bro, Aaron, I did not escape. What's his username again? No, you did not. What you mean? Ayo! Nah, nigga. This is my house. Look in the secret room. Wait, what? There's a secret room? I don't even play Brookhaven that much. I don't even know, nigga! Wait! Hmm. You're... Wait, what? But I named you Aaron. You can't. Call me Chris for short. Okay. Chris. This is how do I spell Chris? Why is his name Christine? Is he a girl? Are you a girl? Are you a girl? EJ. Are you a girl? Tell me. You are a girl. You are a girl. Why? You gender. Why you gender? What's your gender? I was going to call him Ethan. What the fuck? Bro! Aliyah. Ah, that's my fake name. Aliyah. Short. He's a male. Isabel. Isabel. Ayat. And call her Ash for short. Ga. Uh, okay, so his name is Chris. Literally named you Aaron, and you're gonna call yourself Chris. Hmm? You. Wait. Oh wait, I thought the cat enter. No, Chris. Romy, I'm literally typing so loud. Hashtag. Reels. Add me. Lol. Now I'm both friends with him in both accounts. My band one and my nun. I have so many accounts. Okay guys, now I'm gonna post this. And I'm not gonna follow back Sophia, the bulbul. Bye! Peace.